Well, I came out of the natural entrance and there's a nature trail, so I'm a sucker for a hike. Let's check it out. So over there you can see the entrance to the cave. And that there is the amphitheater where you can watch the bats come out at dusk. So if I understand it correctly, this nature trail does a big loop around the depression that includes the entrance to the cave on the left. It continues on my right all the way up there. It's not too long, so I'm going to give it a go. This little rest area here is pretty much where the looks like this trail is serious enough to have a couple switchbacks. So I'm not sure if this is the end of the nature trail and this one is just the Old Guano Trail, but I'm going to veer off here a little bit onto the Old Guano Trail because up ahead there's a fenced in area. That's the other natural entrance to the cave. This entrance to the cave is basically totally vertical. Now I'm gonna wrap up this loop and get back to the visitor center. Looks like the nature trail and the Old Guano Trail do overlap. We got more of the displays here. And here we are back at the cave entrance. Completing the loop. I'm gonna check out the visitor center up there and then see if there's anything else to do